model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 272.2 Tdci E-tech starts runs needs turbo replacing 124k miles no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 124210. MOT, the 18th of February 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows,